Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive, step-by-step checklist for choosing the right e-commerce platform, specifically tailored for marketing teams. With so many options available, making the right choice can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll break down the process into manageable steps, ensuring your team finds a platform that aligns with your marketing goals, technical needs, and budget. Whether you're launching a new online store or considering a switch, this guide will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started by understanding why the right platform matters so much for marketing success. The first step is to clearly define your marketing and business goals. Are you aiming for rapid growth, brand awareness, or expanding into new markets? Understanding your objectives will help you filter out platforms that don't align with your vision. Gather your marketing team and discuss both short-term and long-term goals. This clarity will serve as your compass throughout the selection process, ensuring every feature and integration you consider supports your overall strategy. Remember, a platform that works for one business may not be ideal for another, so tailor your checklist to your unique needs. Next, evaluate your marketing team's technical skills and resources. Some platforms require advanced coding knowledge, while others offer user-friendly drag-and-drop interfaces. Take an honest look at your team's strengths and weaknesses. If your team is more creative than technical, prioritize platforms with intuitive dashboards and robust customer support. Conversely, if you have in-house developers, you might opt for a more customizable solution. This assessment will prevent future roadblocks and ensure your team can fully leverage the platform's features. Budget plays a crucial role in platform selection. Outline your available budget, including not just the upfront costs, but also ongoing expenses like plugins, transaction fees, and maintenance. Some platforms offer affordable entry-level plans, but can become expensive as you scale. Make sure to factor in any hidden costs and consider the return on investment each platform can provide. By setting a realistic budget early, you can focus your search on platforms that offer the best value for your marketing needs. Now, create a list of must-have features for your marketing team. These might include SEO tools, email marketing integrations, analytics dashboards, or social media connectivity. Prioritize features that directly impact your marketing campaigns and customer engagement. Involve your team in this process to ensure all essential needs are covered. Having a clear feature list will help you quickly eliminate platforms that lack critical functionalities, saving you time and effort during your search. With your goals, skills, budget, and feature list in hand, start researching available e-commerce platforms. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, and Wix. Explore each platform's website, read user reviews, and watch demo videos to get a feel for their interfaces and capabilities. Pay attention to how each platform supports marketing activities, such as campaign management, customer segmentation, and reporting. This research phase is crucial for building a short list of platforms that fit your criteria. Integration capabilities are vital for marketing teams. Ensure the platforms on your shortlist can seamlessly connect with your existing tools, such as CRM systems, email marketing software, and analytics platforms. Look for native integrations or robust APIs that allow for custom connections. Smooth integration will streamline your workflows, reduce manual tasks, and enable more effective marketing campaigns. If a platform lacks integration with your key tools, it may not be the right fit. Customization is key for marketing teams who want to create unique brand experiences. Assess how much you can customize the platform's design, checkout process, and marketing features. Some platforms offer extensive theme libraries and drag-and-drop editors, while others require coding for deeper customization. Make sure the platform allows you to implement your brand guidelines and adapt quickly to new marketing trends. Flexibility here can make a big difference in your campaign's effectiveness. Strong SEO tools are essential for driving organic traffic. Review each platform's SEO features, such as customizable URLs, meta tags, sitemaps, and mobile optimization. Some platforms offer built-in SEO guidance, while others require third-party plugins. Make sure the platform supports your SEO strategy and allows your marketing team to optimize content easily. Good SEO capabilities will help your store rank higher in search results and attract more potential customers. Analytics are the backbone of data-driven marketing. Examine the analytics and reporting tools each platform offers. Look for real-time dashboards, customizable reports, and integration with tools like Google Analytics. The ability to track campaign performance, customer behavior, and sales trends will empower your marketing team to make informed decisions. Choose a platform that makes it easy to access and interpret the data you need. A seamless user experience is crucial for both your marketing team and your customers. Test the platform's interface by signing up for free trials or demos. Evaluate how easy it is to set up campaigns, update content, and manage products. Also, consider the customer journey. How smooth is the checkout process, and how fast do pages load? A platform that's intuitive for your team and enjoyable for customers will boost your marketing results. With more shoppers using mobile devices, mobile responsiveness is non-negotiable. Ensure the platforms you're considering offer mobile-optimized themes and allow your marketing team to preview and edit the mobile version of your store. Test how your campaigns and content appear on different devices. A mobile-friendly platform will help you reach a wider audience and improve conversion rates. Security is a top priority for any e-commerce business. Review each platform's security features, such as SSL certificates, PCI compliance, and fraud protection. Make sure the platform regularly updates its security protocols and offers support in case of breaches. A secure platform not only protects your business, but also builds trust with your customers, which is essential for successful marketing. As your business grows, your platform should grow with you. Evaluate each platform's scalability. Can it handle increased traffic, more products, and expanding marketing campaigns? Look for platforms with flexible plans and infrastructure that support growth without major disruptions. Scalability ensures your marketing efforts won't be limited by technical constraints as your brand expands. Reliable support and educational resources are invaluable for marketing teams. Review the support options each platform offers, such as live chat, email, phone support, and community forums. Also, check for tutorials, webinars, and documentation that can help your team get up to speed quickly. A platform with strong support will help you resolve issues faster and maximize your marketing potential. If your marketing strategy includes reaching international customers, consider platforms that support multiple languages, currencies, and international shipping. Check for features like automatic tax calculation and compliance with global regulations. Internationalization capabilities will make it easier for your marketing team to expand into new markets and tailor campaigns for different regions. Marketing automation can save your team time and boost efficiency. Evaluate each platform's automation features, such as email sequences, abandoned cart recovery, and personalized recommendations. Automation tools help you nurture leads, retain customers, and scale your marketing efforts without increasing workload. Choose a platform that empowers your team to automate repetitive tasks and focus on strategy. A variety of payment options can increase conversions. Review the payment gateways each platform supports, including credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and local methods. Make sure the platform offers secure, seamless payment processing and supports the payment preferences of your target audience. The easier it is for customers to pay, the more likely they are to complete their purchase. Shipping is a critical part of the customer experience. Assess each platform's shipping solutions, including integration with carriers, real-time rate calculation, and tracking capabilities. Look for features that support your marketing campaigns, such as free shipping promotions or international delivery. Efficient shipping solutions will help your team deliver on promises and enhance customer satisfaction. A robust app marketplace can extend your platform's capabilities. Review the range of apps and plugins available for each platform, focusing on marketing tools like pop-ups, loyalty programs, and social proof widgets. The more options you have, the easier it will be to adapt your store to new marketing trends and customer needs. Make sure the app marketplace is well curated and regularly updated. Content is a powerful marketing tool. Evaluate each platform's content management system, CMS, for ease of use, flexibility, and SEO support. Look for features like blog integration, landing page builders, and multimedia support. A strong CMS will help your marketing team create engaging content that drives traffic and conversions. Social media is essential for modern marketing. Check how each platform integrates with social networks like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Look for features that allow you to run ads, sync product catalogs, and track social traffic. Seamless social media integration will help your team amplify campaigns and reach new audiences. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels. Review the email marketing tools and integrations each platform offers. Look for features like automated campaigns, segmentation, and performance tracking. The right tools will help your marketing team nurture leads, re-engage customers, and drive repeat sales. Customer support tools are vital for building loyalty. Check if the platform offers live chat, help desk integration, and ticketing systems. These tools enable your marketing team to quickly resolve issues and provide excellent service, which can be a key differentiator in competitive markets. Personalization can significantly boost conversions. Evaluate each platform's ability to personalize product recommendations, content, and marketing messages. Look for AI-driven tools and dynamic content options. Personalization features help your marketing team deliver relevant experiences that increase engagement and sales. Effective segmentation allows for targeted marketing. Review each platform's customer segmentation tools, such as filters for purchase history, demographics, and behavior. These tools enable your team to create tailored campaigns that resonate with specific audience segments, improving ROI. Multi-channel selling expands your reach. Check if the platform supports selling on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and social media. Integration with multiple channels allows your marketing team to manage inventory and campaigns from a single dashboard, streamlining operations and maximizing exposure. Inventory management impacts both marketing and operations. Review each platform's inventory tools, such as stock tracking, low inventory alerts, and bulk editing. Efficient inventory management ensures your marketing campaigns are always aligned with product availability, preventing overselling or missed opportunities. Order management tools streamline fulfillment. Check for features like automated order processing, status tracking, and integration with shipping providers. These tools help your marketing team deliver on campaign promises and maintain high customer satisfaction. Clear return and refund policies build trust. Review how each platform handles returns, refunds, and exchanges. Look for features that automate the process and communicate clearly with customers. A smooth return experience can turn a negative into a positive and support your marketing efforts. Compliance with legal requirements is essential. Check if the platform supports GDPR, CCPA, and other relevant regulations. Look for features like consent management and data export tools. Ensuring compliance protects your business and reassures customers that their data is safe. A platform's reputation can indicate reliability. Research each platform's track record, uptime statistics, and customer testimonials. Look for case studies from businesses similar to yours. A reputable platform is more likely to provide consistent performance and support your marketing goals. Performance impacts both marketing and sales. Test each platform's speed, uptime, and scalability. Slow-loading sites can hurt your campaigns and frustrate customers. Choose a platform known for reliability and fast performance, especially during high-traffic periods. Your needs may change as your business grows. Evaluate each platform's upgrade paths, such as advanced plans, add-ons, or migration support. A flexible upgrade path ensures your marketing team can access new features and scale operations without switching platforms. Pricing models can vary widely. Compare subscription fees, transaction costs, and additional charges for each platform. Consider how pricing scales with your business and marketing activities. Transparent, predictable pricing will help your team plan budgets and avoid surprises. Before making a final decision, request demos or sign up for free trials. Involve your marketing team in testing the platform's features, usability, and integrations. Hands-on experience will reveal strengths and weaknesses that aren't obvious from research alone. After testing, gather feedback from your marketing team. Discuss what worked well, what was challenging, and which platform best supports your goals. Team input is crucial for buy-in and long-term success. Make sure everyone feels comfortable with the final choice. A decision matrix can help you objectively compare platforms. List your criteria such as features, price, support, and integrations, and score each platform. This structured approach makes it easier to identify the best fit for your marketing team, reducing bias and guesswork. Once you've chosen a platform, create a detailed implementation plan. Assign roles, set timelines, and outline key milestones. Involve your marketing team in every step, from setup to launch. A well-structured plan ensures a smooth transition and sets your campaigns up for success. Training is essential for maximizing your platform's potential. Organize training sessions, share resources, and encourage your marketing team to explore all features. Ongoing education will help your team stay up to date and make the most of your investment. After launch, continuously monitor your platform's performance. Track key metrics like traffic, conversions, and campaign ROI. Regular monitoring helps your marketing team identify opportunities for improvement and quickly address any issues that arise. Optimization is an ongoing process. Use your platform's analytics and marketing tools to test new strategies, refine campaigns, and improve results. Encourage your team to experiment with different approaches and share insights. Continuous optimization will keep your marketing efforts effective and competitive. E-commerce platforms and marketing trends evolve rapidly. Stay updated on new features, industry best practices, and competitor moves. Encourage your team to participate in webinars, read industry blogs, and network with peers. Staying informed will help your marketing team adapt quickly and maintain a competitive edge. Regular reviews ensure your platform continues to meet your marketing needs. Schedule periodic assessments to evaluate performance, gather team feedback, and identify areas for improvement. If your needs change, be prepared to adapt or even switch platforms. Ongoing reviews keep your marketing strategy aligned with business goals. Congratulations, you've now completed the step-by-step checklist for choosing an e-commerce platform tailored to marketing teams. By following these steps, you'll ensure your team selects a platform that supports your goals, integrates with your tools, and empowers your marketing efforts. Remember, the right platform is a foundation for growth and success. Stay proactive, keep learning, and revisit your checklist as your business evolves. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your e-commerce journey.